part 4 of solving the Rubik's Cube. Let's go. Okay, I sound a bit like I'm not up for it, but it's just because I can't believe I failed, so I had to go all the way back. But you know, these things happen. It's not the Rubik's Cube isn't exactly the easiest puzzle to solve in the world, is it? So those of you complaining there, give me a break. Alright, so this side is done. Right. Okay, I feel like this solve is actually going really well. Don't want to jinx it, but this will probably be the one. Alright, did I get anything? No. Alright, let's do this one then. Okay, that did something. Now we got a full red layer, both bottom two. Alright, so okay, so up. Things still going good, nothing's messed up yet. Apart from that. That really had to happen, didn't it? Okay. Time to do that again. Okay. Please, 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 please. I don't even know what piece I just did because that's how confused I am right now. So I need to keep an eye on this piece to see where this is gonna go. Oh, forgot to move it. Okay. That's probably what I was doing wrong here. It just went back to its normal place. What the? Oh, it's this side, okay. Oopsie, I said things were going right, and I jinxed it. There we go. Alright, so orange on top here. And now I know what's going on, okay. Okay, there we go. Right, side done. Okay, now time for yellow cross, top cross. Alright, did that. So we got the L shape. So I keep doing this with my nose, kind of itching, and you know, I don't want to pick my nose. Who does that? It's disgusting. Yeah, okay. Ow.